Hi
Hello.
everyone. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah.
Yeah, nice to see you, Erika, again.
Nice to see
Yeah,
you too.
thank you
Yes.
guys. What time is it in Chicago?
Oh, Chicago's only 1 o'clock, close to 1
Okay, not too
p.m.
bad.
So it's not
Yeah,
too bad here, but I know
yeah,
it's way past beer o'clock in Europe. So
that's right.
thanks everyone from Europe that you stayed on. So
Thank you. So
all
good
right,
luck, Erika. I
wonderful.
mean, I think, yeah, we
Mhm.
look forward to your presentation and always, to your insights about this industry and the ink
All
business
right.
and technology.
All right. So I'll be talking to you guys about the stretchable materials for printed electronics applications in mobility. So let's get right to it. All right, so quickly about Sun Chemical. For those that are not familiar with us, we're a leading provider of printing inks and coatings and pigments for a variety of applications. We have a global manufacturing footprint with about 20,000 employees and 8.5 billion in sales. So really a quick snapshot. When it comes to a printed or electronics overall applications, not only printed electronics, we offer a variety of materials. For example, for PCB manufacturing, such as solder mask and notation inks, etch and plating resists. Then we offer the electronic materials for printed electronics. There are multiple applications, but today focus will be on stretchable. Electronic materials for biosensors, most typically for screen printable electrodes for electrochemical sensing. We also offer PSA tapes and foams for electronics assembly, mainly for consumer electronics, but also other types. And then last but not least, etch and plating resist, as well as advanced dielectrics for solar applications, whether it's wafer manufacturing, solar wafer manufacturing, or module assembly. If you have more questions, just reach out to us either online on our website or visit our exhibitor space here on the TechBlick platform. Okay, so a little bit about the printed electronics, our capabilities. We have a variety of material solutions for printed electronic applications, whether it's flexible hybrid electronics, printed switches, heaters, lighting, in-model electronics, and so on. I mean, typically our materials include conductive inks, either silver-based or carbon-based. We have UV or UV LED, as well as thermal curable dielectrics, electroluminescence materials, in-mold electronics materials, as well as our stretchable range. Dedicated team for new product development and application development. So we've been in the printing space, printing electronics space for a while, with extensive expertise in the relevant technology field, from chemistry, material science, polymer physics to, electronics application development and support. State-of-the-art equipment. Here you kind of see our new technology center in UK near Bristol, where we have actually 2/3 or maybe 3/4 of the electronics development team is located, and a snapshot of our rows of lab benches where we work. And we have, as I mentioned, global manufacturing capabilities and global commercial and technical support. We manufacture our electronic materials in Germany, in US, in UK, as well as in China. All right, so going into the mobility applications, right? So what are some of the benefits of printed electronics? And we hear that for a variety of applications, not only for mobility or not only for stretchable electronics. So it's just kind of like a quick snapshot or a summary of what printed electronics as a whole kind of technology offers. So thinner and lighter weight devices are possible. Lighter weight as compared to conventional electronics. So thinner, I mean, we've seen multiple reports where basically, printed electronics can offer very thin devices, very lightweight. They can be flexible, stretchable, 3D formable. Materials. They can offer more design and integration freedom, which in turn offers differentiation for product designer and brands. Polymer thick film inks and screen printing are really already proven technologies for use in automotive and other mobility applications, but